you recording this?
No.
Would you? Would you date her?
Yo, y'all are too fucked up, yo.
Look, he dropping shit.
Would you?
He getting nervous.
Date her?
He's like,
Her
yes.
body gets him nervous. Everyone's with the tight dress.
I just spit on my phone.
I caught that on tape. Come on, Hyro, tell us.
Turn around, look at her. Would you date her? No? Was that a no or was that a yes?
Would you tap that?
You guys are so fucked up.
Come on, yo. Okay, I turned mine off.
Okay. That's it.
I did it. I'm serious. Look. Mira.
Nah, I'm serious too. That's fucked up.
Karina's phone.
Stop! Look, I was.
That shit. She's black. Yo, her phone is in SeaWorld. That shit.
Yo, Karina. It's on. Why you always spitting?
I couldn't hold my laughing. Oh my God. So, anyways,
Would you?
would you date her?
Would you? Hey, let me find another sexy picture.